The Senate Judiciary Committee just approved the nomination of the person who could very likely be the next United States Supreme Court Justice. But wait, there's not a seat open. Allow me to explain. Emil Bove III has been Donald Trump's personal lawyer. He's 44 years old. Over 900 former Justice Department lawyers have urged the Senate not to confirm him. That letter says we are all alarmed by DOJ leadership's recent deviations from constitutional principles and institutional guardrails. Few actions could undermine the rule of law more than a senior executive branch official flouting another branch's authority, but that is exactly what Mr. Bove allegedly did through his involvement in DOJ's defiance of court orders. There is zero question in my mind that if there is a vacancy on the Supreme Court, that Bove will be near or at the top of the list. 44, white guy, completely beholden to Trump. Even Trump said that Bove will do anything necessary to make America great again, not meaning that he'll be a good judge, but meaning he'll do whatever Trump wants him to do. It's no longer good enough for Trump to nominate people to the bench who the Federalist Society will be to the far right of the ideological spectrum. It's only good enough now that the judges will do whatever Trump thinks they should do. Trump is not happy with some of his appointees, in particular Amy Coney Barrett, thinking she's not to the far right enough and won't just do whatever Trump wants. But Bove will, Trump thinks. He's not particularly qualified to be on the Second Circuit. He won't be particularly qualified to be on the United States Supreme Court, but we know they're not interested in the most qualified people, even though that's what they say when the person is a black woman who's being nominated. So you've heard Bove's name now. You'll almost certainly hear it again if there's a vacancy on the Supreme Court. Should you be worried? Yes, you should.